Hi YouTube, this is my third and possible belief final of the day. I'm going to do, I've got a good show lined up for you today. Well, this minute basically. I got my Nerf gun. It's like sort of, it's big, it's green and orange and a bit purple. Does it say purple? Grey. It's got a decent front. You can see right down the front, because I could shoot right now if I really wanted, but I'm going to be nice to you guys. It says Nerf down at the bottom. It says Nerf at the bottom of the bullet cap, and it says it on the back as well. It also says Vortex there, because it's a Nerf Vortex, and it says it on the back as well. It says Nerf there. Nerf, you can read it. I'll do the other one actually. Nah, it's still just bad. I think the other one's actually better. It says Vortex again, Nerf. It's a Nerf gun. It's a Vortex type of gun. I'm going to let my kitten out in a second. And it even closer, it's called a nitron. Right, I'm going to shoot it at you this time. I'm going to fire a few bullets. Oh, by the way, if you press this, there's a red button. I'm going to press it down. Watch the top. I'm aiming at you. You have to turn it on by pushing this across. Turn it on by pushing this across. When that goes green, you have to hold this trigger down to get it charging up, and this down to shoot. Let's grab that bullet first. Don't get lost, or my kitten don't chew it up. I'm gonna fire it at you. I'm quite good with it now, so look at that going on there. Right. I fired a few bullets at the camera then. Ooh, loads of bullets. There. I got a handful of bullets. I fired 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I fired 6 bullets at you in about 6 seconds. But I can do a rapid fire. I'm going to do right now. If you can see them going across the screen, we'll fire them right across. You can see flashes.